really excited to do it again this year. And we saw the effects of the campaign and how so many more people, they actually go green in the way they live their lifestyle to make things more sustainable.
At this year's Go Green SG 2025, we partner together with Plastify to bring plastic recycling workshop to our beneficiaries.
This has shown me that it doesn't take a big step for you to be sustainable towards the environment. It's just small steps that make the big effort count.
Attending this tour, actually seeing how BD Med contribute to the biodiversity in Singapore, I learned a lot about how plants can actually help our health.
Seeing the possibility of introducing new technologies related to sustainability inspires me in my own corporate job.
By bringing partners together, we are heightening people's awareness about proper recycling methods.
We hope to encourage people to consume toys more sustainably, to choose pre-loved instead of first-hand.
We want to show people that to be sustainable is really not that big thing. Everyone can do it.
We believe that you need to remind people. With awareness, you can drive action, and with action, you can drive impact.
So I think this year is special because it's SG60, right?
It's not just telling people to go green, it's also showing the history of the last 60 years in Singapore. And it was very nice to reflect back on how Singapore has changed.
So in this very significant milestone year, FairPrice is also committed to making a difference in helping to foster the culture of green lifestyle.
We wanted to build better habits through smaller conscious touches. We wanted to inspire people to make greener choices.